Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Roblox. Sign in first so settings save to your account. Once signed in, go straight to the gear or three-line menu at the top right. Make sure the app or browser is up to date. Older builds may hide the theme control. You won't use System Dark Mode here. Roblox stores theme per account. Now open settings and be ready to change appearance. This first step puts you in the right place to apply the only reliable dark mode method Roblox supports. Now switch the app. In settings, find appearance or theme. Platform labels vary, but the option is the same. Select dark from the theme or mode dropdown and watch the interface flip to dark immediately. This is the built-in theme and the only supported way to make Roblox dark. Once done, make sure you tap Save or simply close settings on mobile so the preference sticks. The change syncs with your account across devices when you're logged in, so you don't need extensions or system hacks. Finish by confirming the dark theme persisted. Log out and log back in, or open Roblox on another device while signed in. If it didn't stick, clear the browser cache or update the app. Sometimes stale files prevent saving. Once you've retried, make sure account sync is on. If problems remain, contact Roblox support. The built-in appearance control is the only supported dark mode method, so support can check account settings or server-side issues and help restore the theme to your profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.